Here I have the Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder. I actually got it in several colors. This is in the color medium, so take a look. That's the medium one. Here is the tan color. And then also just the regular banana setting powder. So it's that one right here. I actually used the medium one today to set my face. So I used it under my eyes and then I ran a bigger brush around my face just to set my makeup in place. So I also did use the Bella Pierre foundation, which was this one right here. But this helped me just, it feels very lightweight, very soft. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up just to show you what it looks like. So again, you want to use a little sponge, maybe something damp or just a regular beauty blender, but that is what the powder itself looks like. Very, very nice. I absolutely love the coverage. I set it underneath my eyes and it just helps your makeup stay in place and last longer. It's supposed to last up to 24 hours and then also reduce any redness from my face, which I do have redness on my nose and my cheeks, so that helped it out. I felt that it felt very lightweight, very like it made my skin nice and glowy. I would definitely recommend. Again, it is such a nice product. It is talc-free, so I would recommend 10 out of 10.